Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello, and welcome to YouTube SuperStart, a brand new AI app that helps ordinary people become YouTube superstars without recording videos, showing their face, or saying a single word on camera. Just pick a niche, let AI do the heavy lifting, and focus on growing your channel. Alright, let's jump into the app and see how it all works. So after logging in, this is the main dashboard. You're instantly greeted with a massive library of ready-to-use templates, making it easy to discover new ideas and start creating in seconds. We've got romantic, funny, motivational, inspirational, emotional, relatable, and much more. And if you'd rather create something completely unique, you can always start from scratch. All I need to do is upload my visual, enter a dialogue, and let AI handle the rest. Now let's head back and take a look at some of the trending templates. I'm going to select this one right here, Introvert Life. I'll enter. You know, sometimes silence says more than words. Let's click Generate Video. And there we go.
You know, sometimes silence says more than words.
We simply selected a template, entered a single line of dialogue, and the AI handled everything else automatically. Now let's try something a little different. I'm selecting this anniversary template from the romantic category. This time, I'm going to let the AI create the dialogue for me. I'll enter, a special anniversary night. Now I'll click the AI button. The AI instantly generates a complete dialogue. Let's click Generate Video. And our video is ready.
A magical anniversary evening awaits.
Now let's explore one more example. I'm selecting the self-discovery template from the inspirational category. I'll enter, maybe I've been looking everywhere except within. Let's click Generate Video. And there we go.
Maybe I've been looking everywhere except within.
That looks absolutely incredible. But that's not all. YouTube SuperStart also comes with powerful growth tools. Smart Topic Finder scans YouTube for you, helping you discover trending topics, analyze competitors, and identify high RPM content opportunities in any niche. We also have AI title, description, and tags generators to help optimize your content. And with the AI thumbnail generator, simply enter a prompt, click Generate, and get a custom thumbnail in seconds. If you've ever wanted to become a YouTube superstar, this is the easiest way to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside YouTube SuperStart.